Hello friends, today I am going to teach you Applied Mechanics course code 22203, which is included in second semester of civil engineering subject. In that we are going to see firstly teaching and examination scheme. What is teaching and examination scheme? In teaching and examination scheme in teaching scheme there are theory, tutorial and practicals. Theory hours, there are 3 theory hours, 1 tutorial and 2 practical hours. Total credit 6. In examination scheme there are 2 parts. First one is the theory and second one is the practical. In theory parts there is theory paper is for 3 hours, which includes end semester examination, which is of 70 marks, and in that 70 marks we have to take minimum 28 marks. In practical progressive assessment, maximum 30 marks you have to take minimum 0. Means that in that 30 marks, 10 marks is for micro projects and 20 marks are the 2 tests average. Total marks is 100. For theory portion total marks is 100. In that you have to take minimum 40 marks. In practical examination scheme, 8 semester exam there is 25 marks internal practical exam and minimum 10 you have to take. In progressive assessment or practical assessment, for maximum 25 marks, you have to take minimum 10 marks. In this way, total 50 marks, out of that 50, you have to take 20 marks. The total paper of applied mechanics is about 150 marks. Out of that, you have to take 40 plus 20, that is 60 marks for passing. Out of 150 you have to take 60 marks for passing. 28 from end semester examination, that is theory paper, and 10 and 10, that is 20 for practicals. In this way the teaching and examination skill is completed. In that we must have understand that out of theory 70 marks, we must have to take 28 marks and 12 marks from the class test or class test average. That 12 marks plus this 28 becomes 40 marks. That is minimum criteria for passing the theory paper. Or practical exam, minimum 10 marks from 8 semester exam and 10 marks from practical examination. So total out of 50 you have to take 20 marks. ठीक है? Now after seeing teaching and examination scheme, we have to see unit wise weightage of marks and teaching hours. Unit for in that unit number, name of unit, marks and teaching hours. The total marks we are seeing in teaching examination scheme for theory paper it is 70 marks and total teaching hours is 48 hours. In that for unit number first, mechanics of 416. In mechanics of 416, the total marks or total weightage for that chapter or unit number 1 is 6 marks and teaching hours are 4 hours. Second chapter is or second unit is simple lifting machine. For simple lifting machines there are 12 marks and 8 hours for teaching hours. Third, resolution and composition. In that resolution and composition there are 14 marks and teaching hours are 10 hours. Similarly, fourth chapter is equilibrium. For that also 14 marks and teaching hours 10. Fifth one is the friction. For that 12 marks and teaching hours 8. And last chapter is centroid and center of gravity. For that 12 marks and teaching hours 8. In this way, total addition of 6 plus 12 plus 14 plus 14 plus 12 plus 12, that is nothing but 70 marks. And teaching hours 4 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 8 plus 8, that is 48 hours. The total syllabus of applied mechanics is for 70 marks with 48 hours teaching hours. Now we have to see in applied mechanics. In applied mechanics, this course is designed to provide basic understanding about the different types of forces, moments and their effects on structural elements, which will analyzing different structural systems. In day-to-day works, we come across different types of structures created for different purposes and their functions. While designing the structure, analysis of force and stresses is an important stage. Correct analysis is possible only when one knows the types and their effects on the forces acting on the structure. In this subject, we are going to study the force and their effects, types of forces and their effects on the body. There are different types of body such as elastic body, rigid body, plastic body. All these are studied under applied mechanics. In next lecture, we will see the details of mechanics and force system. What is meant by mechanics or applied mechanics? What is a force, unit force, and what are the different systems or force system? Thank you.